Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am. I am from the internet. And being from the internet, I got some really creepy news that I want to put down on you. Now, I've always said that Apple was really good. That Apple was good for security, good for privacy. You can trust them with your sensitive information, with your sexy time nudes. But unfortunately, there's a situation that the world's become aware of. And I think everybody needs to tune in on this a little bit. Some poor woman in the States had a problem with her phone, so she sends it into Apple to work on, and Apple doesn't even fix it. They send it off to their contractors. The contractors fix it, but not before they post nude pictures of her or videos, sexy time videos, onto her Facebook. She didn't even know about this until her friends told her. The tech giant agreed to a settlement with a 21-year-old after two employees at a repair facility uploaded the images from her phone she had sent to the Apple store to be fixed, resulting in severe emotional distress. Who the hell would do this? In what universe is this okay? Was this some kind of unbelievably stupid mistake? Was it intentional? While it was being fixed, the two technicians post 10 photos of her in various stages of undress and a sex video from her Facebook account. Her Facebook account! Whoa, this is universally stupid, man. Man, the more I read about this stuff, the more that it makes me kind of mentally distressed because, geez, my goodness, I knew that. I mean, this is Apple. You'd think you could trust them with your stuff, right? And not only just to leak it, but leak it on Facebook to your own friends? That is harsh. The incident emerged during a legal dispute between the Pentagon, or Pegatron, which had reimbursed Apple for the settlement, and its insurance, which in turn refused to foot the bill. Like, seriously, I mean, the only time I've ever heard about something like this happening was some old guys just they really wanted to put the screws to someone, and ultimately they got information, pictures they shouldn't have gotten, and they put it on this individual's Facebook as revenge and sent it to everyone in their Facebook friends list. Like this isn't just leaking. This is just wow. I have a really hard time with this. Now, something else that haunts me is the subreddit and r/technology where they talk about this. And there are a lot of people that say that this happens at repair shops anyway. So another thing that we should point out is Louis Rossmann is one of these people who are fighting for right to repair, that people should have the right to repair their own stuff. And Apple argues that if you let Louis Rossmann repair your stuff, then your stuff will get leaked or your privacy won't be there. Well, Apple, what's going on here, huh? Anyways, this is what really concerns me. This happens all the time, unfortunately. Usually the workers just keep it private and don't post it online, though. So anybody that works with computers or whatnot has the ability to look through people's stuff. But I've always considered it a cardinal sin to go through people's stuff. And if you go through people's pictures, odds are that you are super new at what you do, and you're a really scummy piece of junk, and you're a total rookie. And people who have been in the business wouldn't do that kind of thing. But the more I look, the more I see stories of this stuff happening. Worked at Verizon corporate store when I was younger. The tech senior sales people would do this all the time. I worked in phone sales and repair for 3 years. Ladies, all the dudes transferring your stuff are looking through your phone for nudes. Like, really, this should seriously be illegal. I don't often get this angry at things, but man, 100% worked at an electronics store that did all sorts of electronics repair, and bet your bottom dollar every device was scourged for that. Camera, PC, phones. Dude had scripts. So these are intelligent people going through your stuff, looking for nudes that actually put scripts in it. This is just, I'm freaking sickened. I'm sickened and disgusted. Oh, yeah, the NSA. Hold my beer, so I can't see exactly what this says, but racy photos were often shared at, I'm guessing that's going to say NSA meetings and whatnot. Christ, nobody's safe. This is just frickin' disgusting. It's like your nudes just aren't safe these days. So here we got the man Louis Rossmann going through rants about it's okay for Apple to do this stuff, but at the same time Apple will say don't send your stuff to people like Louis Rossmann. They could leak your nudes. Haha, not if your contractors beat you to it, Apple. And other stuff like this has been happening too. Apple Store employee helped a customer by texting himself an intimate photo from her phone. You just can't keep safe with this stuff. Ladies, I just feel so bad for you. I think I should start, you know what, I'm going to start taking pictures of my junk whenever I send my hardware in for people to see. You want a picture of my junk? Yeah, I'll give you lots of pictures of my junk. You can have as much as that as you want. We definitely need to start having legal consequences for idiots that do stuff like this. The dumb bastard didn't even delete the fact that he sent texts. Guys, this is making every text seem really creepy. If women think that they're not going to be safe, nobody's going to get any nudes. So ultimately, I'm not just complaining about Apple here. I'm complaining about all the creepy guys looking through phones. I mean, once again, if we're going to be doing this stuff, women aren't going to be sending us nudes, guys, and that's a problem for all of us. So seriously, Apple, get your stuff together, but the rest of you, get your stuff together too, and don't let your friends be doing this. We got to start ostracizing and shaming people doing this freaking disgusting junk. It's just freaking making me sick, guys. Anyways, that's it from me. From Nev's Tech Bits, folks. Don't be going through other people's personal data. I mean, if you're fixing up Granny's computer, then don't get so upset if you see nudes of her. I mean, if she's single and whatnot, she's looking for people, there might be nudes there. Don't go frickin' looking for them. That's stupid. Respect people's privacy, alright? Treat others like you'd have yourself treated. China. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. We can do better, though. We can do a lot better. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.